I'll admit it up front, this isn't a first date review, this is more like a long-term relationship update, because I've been running Trade Angel EA MT4 quietly in my own trading for a while now, and after watching it behave through good markets and bad ones, I figured, alright, it's time to talk about Trade Angel EA MT4 properly, not as hype, but as a reviewer who's already put real screen time into it. Okay, starting from the basics, because this matters more than people admit. Once you download Trade Angel EA MT4, you get the zip file, you right-click it, choose the extract option, and that's it. Inside, you'll clearly see the main EX4 file, along with the README and installation instructions, no clutter, no guessing, and honestly, that smooth start already sets the tone for how Trade Angel EA MT4 is designed to be used. Now let's slow down and really talk MyFXBook, because this is where I personally spent the most time judging Trade Angel EA MT4. The live account shows a gain of around 102%, with absolute gain near 45%, daily growth staying very calm around 0.10%, monthly growth averaging roughly 13.6%, and drawdown sitting close to 14.9%, which immediately tells me this bot isn't trying to win a lottery ticket trade. The balance grows steadily to about $2,100 plus. Equity closely follows balance, and the profit sits above $13,000 with interest impact remaining minor, which signals controlled exposure. When you dig deeper into the trade summary, Trade Angel EA MT4 shows strong dominance on ATR-USD with hundreds of trades, win rates hovering near 79%, clean pip accumulation, and a very balanced long versus short execution style. Monthly analytics reinforce the same story. Strong months like April crossing 35% growth, followed by calmer months that protect capital instead of giving it back. And that consistency is exactly why I kept Trade Angel EA MT4 running instead of pulling the plug after a few weeks. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part. Short and to the point. In MT4, Trade Angel EA MT4 installs cleanly, attaches easily, and when tested with a $10,000 initial deposit, it produces a total net profit of roughly $8,241, a profit factor around 2.83, expected payoff near $515, and while one aggressive test shows higher drawdown, the controlled configurations align closely with what I observed in live trading, which reassures me this isn't a curve-fitted miracle. So, wrapping this up in plain terms, Trade Angel EA MT4 is available on our website, and if you want to understand the settings, updates, and real user discussions in more depth, okay, check the description and join our Telegram group for ongoing insights. From extended personal use, I can say Trade Angel EA MT4 doesn't try to impress loudly. It focuses on structure, risk awareness, and steady execution. And honestly, that's exactly why I earned a proper review instead of being just another forgotten EA on my desktop.